believe I'm saying this. I am doing more winter sowing. I just got my free heirloom seeds earlier this week. I want to get my poppies into my milk jugs. I actually have 12 containers now. I don't know if I'm going to go ahead and do all of them, but I want to go ahead and do my poppies and any other perennials that I might have in here. I'm not going to do a full video. I'm just going to basically be doing a speed round with Gizmo. He's over there. My daughter might pop up. My son might wake up from nap time, but I figured, you know what, you can see the whole process just in a really quick, short film. I cannot believe I'm doing this again. I mean, seriously, who needs all these flowers? I don't know. Apparently I do. Apparently, like I said, I had FOMO. I was like, I am not going to do poppies. Here I am. I'm doing poppies. I have a lot of zinnias in here. If you haven't seen the video, you can go ahead and get some free heirloom seeds. I actually went through and did the donation route, but they're going to be fulfilling free lists come next month in March. So go ahead. If you want some free seeds, just know that some of them might not be there by the time they go ahead and fill them. But it's worth a shot, right? Because who doesn't like free things? And especially with something that's going to give you a nice abundance of vegetables, herbs, and flowers this season. I'm super, super excited. Again, poppies, perennials, here we go. Don't know what you'll see in the background, but I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you're also having fun and a blast as much as I am winter sowing. So let's get to it. Now there's going to be a few things you need. I thoroughly enjoy using Pearl Mix as my potting medium. So I'll be putting some Pearl Mix in here, and I'm going to also add a little bit more perlite for drainage. Now normally I would go ahead and pre-moisten this, but we are getting 3 snowstorms, I kid you not, within the next week. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip that step. I will be going ahead and using a spray bottle just to get all the seeds contacted to the dirt, and then I'm going to go ahead and put them outside. We just got 6 or 7 inches last night, and like I said, we have 3 more snowstorms, so I'm not going to go ahead and mix this in. I literally am hoping I can get this done in the next 20 to 30 minutes. So you're going to need your potting medium. I add perlite for extra drainage. I have my milk jugs. They're already all set. If you need to know how to do that, go ahead and check out one of my videos. I'll go ahead and mention it in the comments below. You're also going to want to go ahead and get some garden tags and a garden marker, or you can go ahead and use a Sharpie. Label them on the inside and the outside. I know from experience that I forgot to label on the outside, and thank God I had this garden marker on the inside, or else I would have no idea what I'm going and planting right now. Also, you're going to want to go ahead and get some duct tape. I have some awesome old zebra, and I got some regular gray ones. I also used the weatherproof kind before. I feel like there wasn't that much of a difference. When you're done, make sure you get them outside right away. You don't want them germinating inside of your house while it's nice and warm. Mine's going to be going ahead and getting buried in some snow, and I'll also show you a picture of what my other 60, yes, I know 60 milk jugs look like right now. They are covered in a blanket of snow. So let's get to it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys outside with me so you can see what the other winter sowing jugs look like, because they're completely buried. We've been getting snowstorm after snowstorm, and like I said earlier, we're actually getting 3 more. over the course of the week. So it's actually insane. So I'm going to show you what they look like now with the fresh ones out, and then the ones from the previous snowstorms. It's unbelievable. And there they are. So as you can see, this back row is the ones that we just did, and here and in that bed, like, look how cute they look. That is what it looks like right now. Lots of snow here in Western Massachusetts. I am in zone 6A, and everything is just tucked in. You can't even see anything. So this is what we're dealing with: a lot of snow and a lot of winter sowing. So thank you for hanging out with me for another winter sowing fun. Hopefully you enjoyed the speed videos. I was super excited that Madeline came to join us. And here's until next time. This time for sure, this is going to be my last time doing perennials, and I'm hoping just to save milk jugs for all of my annuals. And again, definitely go ahead and check out Starbucks. My friend and coworker at the school that I teach at, she works at Starbucks nights and weekends, and she just got me another 20 jugs. She said it's so easy for them to save up. Just go ahead, call ahead, tell them so they won't crush them, and then that way you can go ahead and just get a bunch all at once. Again, my name is Kristy. Thank you so much for joining me. I am located in Western Mass, zone 6A, and clearly having a blast winter sowing, and I hope you are too. If you want to keep hanging out and see what these all look like in the next few months, go ahead, click like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.